short. My shirt's too long.
Hey, why don't we have a beer?
Pretty.
Oh, geez, big man.
Gary Bell would be very impressed.
Oh, sure. Hey, why don't we have a beer? I don't think we're settled. Hey, why don't we have a beer?
With the top.
You guys make this stuff?
Which one? That green one?
What do you think?
Okay, I like this one. Okay, yeah.
So how much we owe you?
I'm gonna pay her for the red necklace. How
So,
about
2
Well, I don't have 2 5s, so there you go. You get a 10 and a 5. Hey, wait. I might have given away all my money. Hey, why don't we have a beer? Hey, you gotta have Green Bay Smash. Hey, why don't we have a beer?